Hello everyone, welcome to Mifratech. Today in this section we'll see how to install Python in your system. So we'll see how Python installation. So first you go to any browser and type like which version of Python you want to install in your system, like depending on your operating system. So here in my operating system is Windows, so I want to install Python version 3.8. So type that in the Google search bar, like Python 3.8 download for Windows. So you will get many searches. So in that you can see here that is www.python.org organization. So this website you go, just click on that. Next you will go to this tab. In the tab you can see that is this is the official website of Python. So here you can install Python 3.8.0 in the version Python 3.8. So next you come down in this same tab, in the same page you come down. So here you will come, you can see here there are number of files to execute depending on the your like which version of what is the Windows you are using, 32-bit or 64-bit, or what operating system using, like Mac OS or Windows or Linux. So depending on that you can install whichever link appropriate to your system. So in this I am executing, like I am installing for my system Windows, that is you can see into 64-bit executable installer. So this file I am installing. So depending on your system you can install, like download this file. So after I click on that, so here you can see I have downloaded this, that is Python 3.0, a 64-bit for Windows 10. So after downloading this, have to click on this. So after that it will come to, you will get a window like this, like install Python 3.80 64-bit, like install now or customize installation you can see. So install now is like it will default give a path to install. Otherwise if you want to like change your path of installation, so just click on this customize installation. Before that, as you can see here I add Python 3.8 to path. So if first you have to click on this like this. So after clicking on this you click on customize installation. After that it will go to next feature, that is optional feature. Just click on next option. After that you go to the next window, it will come like advanced option. Here it will defaultly indicate that. Then there is an option called you to like choose the customize install location. So you can choose the path for you in your system where this Python has to be installed. So you can choose this path. So this path is very important for your for future use to install, like path you have to select in order to execute program. So you have to remember the path where you have stored. So here after, like if you click on the browser you will get to go to like location in your system, like file explorer, so where you can select the path for your installation. After that, selecting the path, just click on this install button. If you click on this install button, it will come like window like click like setup progress. So the process has been like installing. So after it has been completed, the green will come to up to the end of this line. So it has been loaded successfully. After it has been successfully installed, it will show a window like this, setup was successful. After it has been successfully set up, you just click on this close button. After it has been closed, so next what you have to do is you have to you have to set path for your Python execution. So for that you go to a file explorer in your system, then in this you go to this PC. So the left click on that, in your mouse left click on, and you will get option like this. In that last option you can see properties. So if you click on this properties, it will take you to this window, that is in control system and security system. So this part. So after you come to this control system panel, here you can see the last option, that is device manager, remote setting, system protection. So there is a lot of last option, you can see advanced system setting. So just click on this advanced system settings. So it will take you to system properties. So there is a window pop will come like this, system properties. In this system properties, at the end you can see here there is the environment variables. So just click on that environment variables. So it will take you to this environment variables. So you can set up a path in the uh, environmental variables, like there is a user variables for admin and system variables, like where you have installed your Python. So in this next you come to system variables. In system variables, there if you have already a path like variable, if you have stored means just click on that path. If you are not stored means just click on this new button and create a path name like a variable called path, and after that you have already installed in my system, so I will click on this path. After that it will pop up a window like edit environment variables. So in here you can see, here you can add a path for your Python exe like already installed in your system. So here you have to go, you initially for which path you have installed given in the installation process, so that same path have to go for like in my system in C drive program files in Python 36 folder. There is a inside the Python there is a script called folder it will come. So up to that folder you have to copy that path and have come here and paste it there. So after, or you can also browse directly from this browse option. So after creating this path you just click on OK. So this is the main the important step in setuping a path, because if you are not set up this path correctly means you are not able to execute any program, so you will get error. So you have to configure or set up this environmental variables and the path very correctly according to where you have stored your Python during the installation process. So after it has been successfully you have set the path, just click on this OK and close everything. So after that it is our Python installation and pass selection setup, everything is been done. After that just go to a Windows search bar and you just type Python, I have installed the Python 3.8. So if you click on Python 3.8 or you have just search IDLE, you will get a search option like I have installed, that is ITL Python 3.8 you can see here. So just click on this. So it will take you to a Python IDLE 3.8 which has been successfully installed and set up path. So you will get a list of home shell for that is IDLE Python 3.8. So here you can see, here you can write your code and debug and execute or run your any program. You can here there are a lot of options you can get: file, edit, debugging options, run options. So this is how you can download Python from the Google, and then you can install and have to set up a path. After that you can write your code and run the program successfully. So this is the path, or you can say series of setup you have to do before executing any Python program. So in this way you can install Python successfully. So you have to remember that setting up the path is an important step in installing Python in any system. So like this you can set up Python in your system. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.